Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare CLA 10 versus NS10 studio monitors. We'll dive into their unique characteristics and help you decide which speaker might be a better fit for your mixing environment. Both are iconic, but they offer distinct sonic profiles that cater to different preferences and studio needs. Let's explore what makes each of these monitors stand out in the world of audio production. The CLA 10 monitors are celebrated for their transparent and revealing sound, particularly in the crucial mid-range frequencies. Many engineers appreciate their ability to expose issues in a mix, leading to better translation across various playback systems. They also offer a slightly more forgiving listening experience than some other reference monitors, making long mixing sessions less fatiguing. Their design aims for a modern take on a classic sound. The NS10 monitors are legendary for their ability to highlight imperfections in a mix, forcing engineers to make precise decisions. Their distinctive sound, characterized by a forward mid-range and a less extended bass, makes them an excellent tool for checking vocal levels and overall balance. While challenging to mix on, achieving a good sound on NS10 often means your mix will sound great on almost any system. They are a true industry standard. Deciding which monitor is better truly comes down to your personal workflow and what you aim to achieve in your mixes. If you prefer a more detailed and slightly more forgiving sound with a bit more low-end extension, the CLA 10 might be your choice. For those who want a brutally honest mid-forward reference that forces critical mixing decisions, the NS10 remains a powerful tool. Whichever you choose, both are excellent for refining your audio. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.